If you're American, you have a passport.
Soy American.
No.
No, if you're from somewhere else, you have a passport.
Where am I gonna be from?
Okay.
Where?
Calm down.
Where?
Edward, you have a passport.
James, tell them.
Where am I gonna
Okay.
be from?
Sit down. James, do you need a passport?
What the
Say it.
fuck was that
Say
moaning?
it. Do you need a passport? Let Matt know. Matt, do you need a passport?
For what?
Do you need a passport?
I don't need a passport. I got my ID.
Say it. No. Say it. Do you need a passport? James is saying yes. You need a
Oh!
need a passport.
bitch. You're gonna need a passport to hell right now. You're gonna get off this dick.
I'm sorry.
Angie, I love you.
sorry,
Oh, I
baby.
love you with your stripe sucking on James's dick.
Oh.
Cause bitch, that's a big ass penis you're sucking on. Open your mouth, girl, cause your teeth are gonna